Hi, today's vlog is about exploration. So we wondered if we could decorate the bottle using the wheat flour, and here we did it. So tag along to the end to see what happened. It was raining when we recorded. Hope you'll still enjoy. Sorry.
Hi! Hello, welcome to my channel. It is Jerry Kabiro. Today I am hanging out with my lovely, awesome, marvelous, beautiful dancer, veterinary wannabe daughter. She's called
Neru Caril.
Yay!
Before you start.
So,
I have a TikTok channel and my TikTok name is Legend at Neru Caril. So please follow and like my TikTok.
yeah, she dances a lot on that TikTok. I am following you too.
Welcome to today's vlog. I have to do the voiceover because it was raining when we recorded, but we had a lot of fun with my daughter. If you're new to this channel, you're so much welcome. Thank you for subscribing. For those who are watching, please put a thumbs up, leave a comment down on the video, subscribe, like, share. Thank you so much for all that. So today's vlog, again, it's about exploring. We took wheat flour and food color and mixed, and we decorated the bottle with that. Now I know you wonder how it looks like. We have shown you the pictures in the beginning, and as days go we'll keep on updating you how it dried and looked at the end of it all. But follow the whole tutorial and see how we did it, and you can do it with your children, have fun. I don't know if it's a permanent thing that you can sell. That one I have to tell you way later, but as for now, we had fun and our creative was amazing. So enjoy. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below, ask a question, or tell us what you think. So see you at the end of this video.
So we have come to the end of this video. We have model clay. You remember modeling clay in school if you ever did art? Something like this. So we have come to the end of it. I feel like a perfect potter. You know, I can pot some pot. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoy it. Please let us know what you think about this new discovery, and we're going to explore it more. So leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We are so tired, we're going to bed. It's like late, so we are going to bed. Till the next video, we're gonna say bye.